having a great time? I'm absolutely freezing cold. It's not even October yet and I have broken out the hot water bottles. It's ridiculous. I've actually put the heating on as well. I'm absolutely frozen. That's why I'm wearing a big woolly jumper. But yes, I have caved and put the heating on for a bit and brought out my hot water bottles. I've also got a hot cup of coffee and we're going to do a little haul. So if you follow me on TikTok, you will have seen that I've recently been going to a few sort of independent art shops as I travel around with work. So when I have a bit of time on my lunch break, if there is an art shop locally to me or to where I am, I will pop in and have a window shop. Now, of course, window shop, when you're an artist, does that really mean window shop? Do we window shop? I don't think so, but I have a little bag of goodies from Norwich Art Supplies. So I thought I would go through these with you. So the first one that I bought is some pastel mat. Now, I'm going to put that on the floor because that's going to crinkle. If you are a soft pastel artist and you haven't tried pastel mat yet, I highly recommend that you do. It's really great. I absolutely love it and it's not horrendously expensive. This cost £16.40. You can get it online for a bit cheaper, but I wanted to support a small business, so that's why I bought it in store. This is a smaller size pastel mat than what I usually offer. So I actually offer the next one up from this, so the slightly bigger size. This is 7 by 9.5 inches. I think the one that I offer is 9.5 by 12 inches. So it's a little bit bigger than this, about A4 size. But I'm wanting to try and offer a slightly cheaper option for my soft pastel commissions. They do take a long time, which is why they are a bit more expensive than my graphite commissions. But I thought if I can offer a smaller size, then I can make it a little bit cheaper. So I'm going to give this a try. I might do a piece for a family member just to make sure I can fit enough detail on such a smaller size. I'm sure I can. And so I'm going to give that a try. This is the, what do they call this colour? It's called number 2. So this is the one that has white, sienna, brown and anthracite. This is the colour sort of pack that I always go for. I think it has the most sort of neutral colours in it. They do other colour options, but I think this one works the best for me. So that's that. The next thing that I got, which is an absolute freaking bargain. Oh my god. So this is Clairefontaine. They also happen to make the pastel mat. This is their Aquapad, so this is watercolour paper, A5 size. I love having A5 size watercolour paper. I love doing small drawings or small paintings. I don't know what it is, I just really enjoy it, and it's a way, if you haven't got a lot of time, like if you work full-time like me, then you can get a nice small painting boshed out very quickly. Now there are 70 pieces of paper in this, which is amazing, for £13.50. So that was an absolute bargain. The guy in the shop said that this was new in, so you might be able to get it slightly cheaper online somewhere. It's acid free, pH neutral, and 100% cellulose, and it is 300 GSM. Paper's really nice. It's cold pressed, yes, cold pressed, which is why it's got texture, and it's nice and thick as well. You have a texture side and a slightly more smoother side to it, so really looking forward to trying that out. The next thing that I got that I think I am probably the most excited to try is this stuff. So this is C. Robertson liquid metal in a Regency gold. So they had tons of these, and I actually took a video. You can see it on my Instagram reels, I think, or either my Instagram reels or my TikTok reels, but they had loads of different colors from this company. So this is basically a water based, I believe, because it says water wash up, so you can use water to clean it up. It's a paint, I guess. I don't really know. I just bought it because it looks amazing. But you can see there, it's just got this beautiful gold shimmer to it. Now, I do wish that I'd bought a few different colours, but I was spending a lot of money by this point, so I thought I would just try this, and then if I want to get more, I can do. This was £6.40 for 30 mils. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to try this. It says it's ideal for plaster, wood, paper and canvas will not tarnish and no need to varnish. And the colours are intermixable, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to give that a try. I'm very excited to try that. Okay. The next thing I got, they put it in the box for me, which is very nice of them, was some Caran d'Ache pastel pencils. If you don't already know, Caran d'Ache is probably my favourite pastel pencil brand. I actually think, now that I'm looking at them in this light, I think I have this one already. Damn it. I wanted to add that one. Oh, Charlotte. Balls. I think I might have a few of these colours already. That's frustrating. I basically wanted to get a few different more neutral skin tone colours and then a few colours that I don't have. For example, this bright turquoise I don't have. I got black because my black is very, very small and is running out. I got this sort of, they call it Herculanum red. No! Oh, I just dropped a pencil. Oh God. Artists' hearts breaking across the world right now. Damn it. And that's my black. Okay, feel my pain. Anyways, beryl green, which is this gorgeous turquoisey colour. I also got dark flesh 40%, which is kind of like a fleshy nude colour. Olive brown, which is more like just the olive colour. And dark flesh 5%, which is another sort of nudie colour. So those are going to be great for my pastel portraits that I do because it is commission season now and I'm going to need some more neutral colours. And then the last thing that I got, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, you might not know this, but I have been playing around with alcohol inks recently. So I bought an exciter pack, they call them, but it has quite limited colours and I wanted some more slightly muted colours or more natural colours to give them a play with. So I bought 4 colours from the art stores. So we've got Pinata colour, Sapphire blue, which I know isn't neutral, but it's a darker blue that I didn't have. Rainforest green, which again looks like it's going to be a really nice dark deep green. Shadow grey, which I'm very excited to try. This looks like it's a brown based grey, so that should look really cool with the gold that I have, or the brass that I use. And then burro brown, so that is a brown colour there. So I am super excited to give those a try. I really do think that the green, oh my god, that is going to look so nice with the brass, the Pinata brass. So I'm excited to give that a play, and the grey as well. I've really been wanting to create some slightly more neutral colour toned pieces with the alcohol inks. Because the ones that I have at the minute, they are just a bit too bright and vibrant. There's like a vibrant fluorescent pink. I've got a very, very bright yellow. There's a coral colour, which is very orange. White, which I don't really use. And then the purple that I've got is very pigmented and too dark. Like it's a very, very, very dark purple. And then I have like a turquoise blue. So I don't have anything that's more natural and more neutral. So I'm excited to give those a try. That is everything that I got from that store. I highly recommend, if you do travel a bit, or if you ever go anywhere up north to Norwich, I say up north, it's in the Midlands really, East Anglia, I highly recommend popping in. Norwich Art Supplies, very knowledgeable. They've got some antique art supplies in there as well. I think you can buy some of them too, but it was really cool to see them displayed. They've got so much stuff. They have pigments there as well, and I haven't actually been into an art shop yet that had pigments available to buy, and they make their own hand rolled soft pastel blocks as well. So really, really would highly recommend you go and see them and pay them a visit. And let's remember to support small businesses, because otherwise they're going to end up going and we won't be able to find these exciting and unusual art supplies. I mean, this liquid metal. I don't think I've seen this anywhere else before. So again, very excited to give that a try. I hope you enjoyed that video. I know it was a bit of a quick one today, not a massive haul, but let's face it, art supplies cost a small fortune. But I hope you enjoyed that. If you haven't already, please do hit the subscribe button and join me on my journey to become a successful artist. And if you would love to follow me on Instagram, all the details are down in the comment box below. I will put some links to Amazon for these products if I can find them, but I would really highly suggest you go to a local art shop if you can. Anyway, that's it for me today. I will see you in the next one. Have a good evening. Bye. Oh, dog, what are you doing? Go away. Go away. This is not food. I have a bag of goodies and the dog thinks that it's food. Oh my goodness. Herculanum.